See what Kevin Jensen is trying to do to build that consistency of
of last season as they managed to claim the championship title. One that held by Yusuf Mart. So Nagilishe Ndlovu really got some good distance on that from the throw. Crosser now, Yusuf Mart dispossessed by Pule Marema. Has attempted to locate young man. 3 goals have come in a pair of defeats. Christian Saide generally leaves this for good feeling over. Well located, Nagilishe Ndlovu. This cross from deep. But if you have to keep the move alive here, everybody sits in or get it. Now the corner has come in and Chiefs perhaps get away with one here. Again. Everybody sits in, grab the ball in a dangerous area. And it's been Afronapolis on his outside. Afronapolis continues to cut in, launches it.
quick 10. Cuts inside. That's always a frustrating thing for
no ball again. And that's as Chiefs win possession here, and Moko immediately tries to set Pule Mori on his way. Goalkeeper gets a touch on that. Nice first game post-COVID. To get on the front foot here. And that's the first real chance. But at the same time, if you look at this cross, you look at the positioning of Mako, but then you start asking questions in terms of the defense from good move, good save. Now towards the back post, and not a big them out.
Management team, and they say it is our time to bounce back. We couldn't have asked for a better fixture than this one. And they've taken the lead. They are assertive. They just can't get the goal.
Wants to forward all the way through. Played against Mozambique and was injured against Guinea.
Quality educated left foot can find an attempt to get shots and targets.
Stabbed it through here. This could be it. Nicely worked by Kaizer Chiefs. Good strong run. Chibabero just can't get the time. In terms of possession this season, Polokwane City the second least in the division, as that's 9%, and Sundowns an average of 67% this season. It's Sapunga. Now Saile. Kulemori setting up Yusuf Mark, trying to work the space for himself. Yusuf Flanti, now Flanti for Flanti. Chimavira was the only man around. He could have played that far away from the keeper. Still Apollos, and Tekla steals it. Now he has one man up ahead of him in the form of Hardy, who's got to take it down. He's tracking his progress. Slow with the one spot. Zimog threads it through here from Tekla. Into the second half. Too long for Christian. Outswinging delivery. It's been met by Ngaki. Point. But it is Polokwane City who have had a better opportunity. Nice ball to find Saide, who tries to turn it in first time. Marumo Gallants last season, despite the fact that they were relegated, slipped through wonderfully well from Tetra. Right in front of him, we're calling for him to be subbed. Just moments ago. Now Dove has to step in. Now both curled it into the 18-yard area. Not yet away. Clever flick as well. Afronapolis looking for options. That's surely offside. And the flag does go up. Rusvuma turned around the corner by Chibabiro. Kulemori continues on, he's swept in across here. So there was just one additional minute at the end of this half, and it has elapsed. 21 last month, looking to add to the century goal that he has so far this season, just putting a little too much on that.
That's right. We saw you go down the line.
He goes short. Mori. Squeezing it through here to space on the edge of the area. Oh!
The fact that Tomo is involved, you have Temper involved as well. And yes, you've got to have a shot. Make an attempt. Ranga Chimavera.
Forward by Santi Chimavero. With the Nicolo touching the path of Tulo Mori. He's coming inside. He
and Ranga getting involved, Pulemori, cut inside. And when you cut inside, you have put the defenders in an awkward position and the goalkeeper. And I've seen goals like this and more of this.
They've made a false start in the second half and been rewarded for their efforts.
Nice one.
But we're not talking about...
There's another one from outside of the box. As Polokwane City look for a response here, and they might find it through Masakina. Amabu. Scrum pass to locate Marema. He might have put too much on that season. One of the most dreadful games you'll ever see. Novo cleverly cushions it for the pace demon Saide to continue his run. He chooses not to slip it through. He takes aim. And the goalkeeper comes on that in the absence of Marema, who's now on the ball, feeding Osiripolis. Ramabu. Or Polis again. Polokwane City about to launch in their 7th. Marema takes. Oof.
So it just tells you the intention. Should there be an urgent lead?
Oh, Mataluri has launched it. All the pace taken off that shot from sliding it through for Pulemori, the goal scorer. Now Mori looking for
Ranga is at this level. Who gets it to the box because Modi is in possession? And guess who gets there?
Dispossessed rather easily is Douglas Mafumo. As Novo swings it in, it is towards him. That's Roca and Gallants more recently. Swung in and hey, lost one. Coming the hands of Mamelodi Sundowns. Now putting the trigger from range. Again, that's
Good combination play here. Very patient.
Gonzalez looking up with Pulemori. Now it's in Castillo.
That's the ball in Castillo. Hold.
It's over the heads of Clint. It's fallen unkindly. From a Polokwane City perspective, and Duzi Shabalala gets it to Mori. He keeps going.
What?
To square it when perhaps he should have taken it.
Polokwane City
What you said?
improvises, gets there.
What you
Still
said?
want to find powers speed.
Now that's not a
There you
good
go.
cross. A decisive header away. It's still there for Chauke. Tobe goes to ground. So this stop and play, eating into a few seconds of the 4 minutes that have been added here. So Marshals need to stay switched on here. Brian, the throw taken quickly by Polokwane City, and Osiripolis at the cross. He goes down.
The heat is not helping.
Well, that's it. About 30 seconds prematurely did the whistle come. But Kaizer Chiefs won one, and it's